So today we're going to show you how to use the AI-enabled search inside the platform. To go search, you first have to open the platform. So you do so by visiting app.modern.io. And to make sure that you have AI-assisted search enabled, you go right here into your settings and you make sure that you have toggled this. If you want to search without it, then you toggle it off. But today we want to show how it works. So we'll go ahead and leave it on. So say I wanted to find something and I wasn't really sure what the recipe's called. There's many ways of saying the same thing. Like if you wanted to say find method invocations, maybe that could be find method usage, method calls. So with all these different terms that essentially mean the same thing, it can be a little bit confusing, or you might not know exactly what the name of the recipe is. Well, that's why we have AI-enabled search, so you don't have to rely only on keyword matching. So here, if I wanted to do find method invocations, do like this, it'll search up. And as you see, it finds a lot of them. So maybe the one that I would be interested in would be the find method usages, which goes into your code and goes and finds all the method invocations. So I could click on it and get the recipe. If you wanted something a little bit more vague, you could also do that. So maybe I just want to see what we have for vulnerabilities. There you go. And now I can see a bunch of different recipes that would help me with my code and to find vulnerabilities or even fix it, like this one. One key thing to remember is that the results here are also ordered after based on how many recipes a recipe contains, because we have some recipes that can be standalone, or you have recipes that are composite so that they are formed by a multitude of recipes. So this is what you would have here. So the ones that have the most recipes will be at the top. As you see, this has a lot of recipes versus maybe let's go to this one, which is a standalone recipe here. Sometimes you know the recipe. You don't want to have a list of 10 recipes that pop up because they have similar concepts. So if you want to do that, you can go back basically to just doing keyword matching. One way is to go here and remove the AI assisted search, or if you want to keep it on, just be a little faster, you can go ahead and put quotations in between your queries. So if I wanted to say find and fix here, there's going to be a lot of recipes because we have so many recipes for finding and fixing things. But maybe the one I want is, I know it starts with find and fix and not fix and find. So you could go ahead and just put quotations like this, and it'll find just the recipe I wanted. So this is how it works, basically. So if I wanted to go and search for tags, I could go and search for RSpec here, and then I would have all the recipes that have a tag. If I wanted a specific tag here, so let's say 1116. Then I would only have the recipe that has that tag. So that's another way of searching too. So tags can be a lot of things. They can be sometimes more general concepts like security, or it can be, in this case, RSpec, which is exactly a very specific type of vulnerability that we have recipes to fix, basically. And so if you're searching for something here and you're not quite getting what you want, you can always go visit our docs, which have a lot more information about the different tips and tricks that you can use to make sure that you search most efficiently possible for your use case. If you press enter, then you get all your search results in one page and statically instead of having the little pop-up here. And if you go down and if there's more recipes, they'll go and fetch some more. So if you're using a term that's very vague and you're just trying to understand if a recipe exists or not for that use case, then that's a good feature as well to just keep generating more recipes until it's pretty much given you all the top recipes based on your query.
Learn how we implemented AI search using OSS large language models by reading our blog.